let's begin with the ABC song. Okay,
Do you know your alphabet?
Do you know your alphabets? Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Very good. Galing naman. Okay, I have here naman sounds of alphabets in Tagalog. Okay. This is our activities later. We're gonna nagsisimula sa pantig na la, le, li, lo, lu. La. Lapis. Lata. Lagari. Lamesa. Lalamunan. Letra. Leeg. Leon. Uy! Liko. Okay. Lindol. Lipad. Lima. Liha. Lo. Lobo. Loro. Lola. Lolo. Lona. Lu. Lumit. Luha. Lupa. Lumot. Luntian. Ito yun. Kulay green. Ulitin natin. La. Lapi. Lata. Lagari. Lamesa. Lalamunan. Letra. Leeg. Leon. Liko. Lindol. Lipad. Lima. Liha. Lo. Lobo. Loro. Lola. Very good. Lolo. Lona. Lu. Lubit. Luha. Lupa. Lumot. Luntian. This is luntian. Very good. Yes. Okay. Later na. Yeah, later, when we're gonna use crayons, I'm gonna get that. Yes. Those crayons. Okay? So, this is letter C. Diba? This is letter C. Ano yung mga salita or mga words na nagsisimula sa letter C?
F.
This is letter C. Okay. So, ano yung mga words na nagsisimula sa letter C? Like cup, cat, computer. Diba?
Computer.
Yes. Case. Diba?
Case.
Okay. So, ang sound ng letter C ay K. you trace it now? So, trace natin si letter C using the crayons. Yeah, using the crayons. Okay, then we get the crayons here. Okay, can you trace letter C? Hmm? Yes.
I have red.
You have red. What else do you have?
Maybe
Oh, this one, this one.
it's
Okay.
red.
Oh, this one.
It's red.
Yeah. Oh, can you trace letter C?
What color is this?
That's color orange.
Oh, orange.
Yeah.
Here.
Yes.
Okay. It's orange.
Yes, that's orange.
Meow. It's small. It's small.
This is Mama C. And this is Baby C. What else? Mama C again.
Bakit small?
Yes. That is small. Okay. Mama C and Baby C. Okay. Very good. Okay. And then now, after you trace letter C, let's encircle yung mga letter C. Where is it? Encircle like that. Yeah, encircle like that. Very good. What else? Very good. What else? Very good. Yes, very good. You're correct. And then because of that, I will make a stamp for you. Very good. Okay. And then I'm gonna put you some star. Where is our star?
I have a star.
Okay, stamp natin like star.
I have a star.
You have a star?
I have Hello Kitty storm. I have Hello Kitty stamp.
Hello Kitty?
Yeah.
You have that?
Yeah.
Okay, because of that, I'm gonna big you a big star. Big star.
I have big star.
Yes. Okay. Do you know these numbers? Okay. Can you trace those numbers? You can use another color if you want. This one, very good.
Number 1.
So how do you use this hands yan?
What is?
Very good. Very good.
What?
Oh, this one. Walang dot sa taas. Wala. Walang dot sa taas. That is number 1. This one. And this one. Very good. How about this? Good, number 5. Very good. That was number 6. These are the 12 months in a year.
Here's a song to help you
Okay,
remember
these
all
are 12
the
months in a year, ha? Let's
Mother Hen is
memorize,
going to
ha?
sing it for us.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Good.
Now, let's sing along with Mother Hen. Here we go.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July,
Ayusin din.
August, September, October, November, December.
Okay.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Very good.
Great job.
Mhm.
Now, let's sing it.
Quietly.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Fantastic. Now, let's sing it really loud.
Really loud na.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Outstanding.
Yes, very good.
Now
Well
that you
done.
know the song, let's try it really fast.
Fast na, fast. Mabilis.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Here we go.
Okay.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
One more time.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March,